Arrive in style with this Buick 2022 Encore GX Essence. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment group WinSL, 5.45 final drive axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 18 aluminum with chrome inserts, front bucket seats, leather appointed seat trim, ride and handling suspension, radio, 8-diagonal Buick infotainment system and power tilt sliding moonroof. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.